Hala fruit, the tropical Pandanus delight. Today, we're diving into Hala fruit, also known as the Pandanus fruit. A fruit that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi garden, spiky, segmented, and exotic, yet sweet and fragrant inside. Native to tropical Pacific regions, it's a tropical delicacy cherished for centuries by Polynesian, Hawaiian, and Southeast Asian cultures. Soft, fibrous, and surprisingly versatile, Hala fruit is a story of resilience, culture, and unexpected tropical sweetness. Hala fruit comes from trees in the Pandanus genus, commonly called screw pines. These trees are native to the Pacific Islands, Hawaii, Southeast Asia, and parts of Australia. The tree thrives along coasts, sandy soils, and humid tropical forests. For island communities, the hala tree was a staple, its fruits, leaves, and fibers used for food, weaving, shelter, and even ceremonial purposes. The fruit itself is considered a delicacy, rich in carbohydrates and mild sugars, providing energy and hydration during hot tropical days. Historically, hala fruit was eaten raw, cooked, or pressed into juice, and even used in traditional medicine for its mild antiseptic properties. Hala fruit is distinctive in appearance, large, round or oval clusters. Tough, spiky exterior segments called keys. Orange, red, or yellow pulp inside each segment. The edible part is the fibrous sweet pulp inside the segments. Texture, firm, slightly crunchy, but melting when chewed. Flavor, a mix of tropical pineapple, mango, and banana, with a subtle citrus note. The fruit's aroma is fresh and lightly floral, an unmistakable tropical scent that signals freshness and ripeness. To eat hala fruit, segments are pulled apart, pulp chewed or processed, and seeds discarded. Some varieties are sweeter than others, and local knowledge often guides which are best for raw eating, cooking, or desserts. Hala fruit is more than exotic looks, rich in fiber. Provides natural sugars for energy, contains vitamin C and antioxidants, hydrating and light on the stomach. Traditionally, islanders also valued it as a digestive aid and mild tonic. The tree itself provides additional benefits, leaves for weaving, mats, roofs, and fibers for making ropes, a full tropical ecosystem in a single species. Across Polynesia and Hawaii, eaten fresh as a snack, pressed into juice or blended for tropical drinks, used in puddings, sweets, and cooked desserts. Leaves used for wrapping food, weaving mats, and crafting ceremonial items. The fruit and tree hold deep cultural significance, symbol of resilience and sustenance. Central in rituals, festivals, and daily life, hala fruit is a living connection to the island's past, both practical and ceremonial. Today, hala fruit remains mostly local. Few exports exist due to its delicate pulp and short shelf life. But tropical fruit enthusiasts, chefs, and botanists are increasingly fascinated by hala fruit, juice-based beverages. Desserts and jams, culinary experiments highlighting its tropical aroma. It remains a hidden gem of tropical biodiversity, a fruit that combines utility, beauty, and subtle sweetness. Hala fruit is more than an exotic curiosity, it's a link to island traditions, tropical resilience, and natural sweetness. Spiky on the outside, delicate and fragrant within, it reminds us that some of the most remarkable flavors grow quietly, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for exploring with me. Stay curious, stay open, and keep tasting the unexpected.